What's up guys? Today I want to talk about a new airdrop, and this is one is all about gaming. Basically, they've launched a point system where you can earn XP just for being active. And this XP is key because it converts to the token during the TGE or listing date. If this sounds familiar, it is because it is the same platform we use for those two airdrops we had before. Now for the big question, when's the TGE? They've officially announced it for December 9, so next month. YOM is a gaming deepin project that turns idle GPUs worldwide into a global cloud gaming network. It's enable high-end gaming on any device without needing consoles, downloads, or expensive hardware. Think instant play via streaming powered by community contributed compute power. Okay, step 1, you need to go to their official site. The first thing you'll do is hit that connect wallet button. You can use any wallet that supports EVM networks like MetaMask for Ethereum. And then, right after that, you're gonna link your X account. You can multiply your rewards through limited time quests. After you complete this, your multiplier will be activated. So the first task is over on X. You gotta follow their official X page and connect your Discord. And a quick heads up, don't forget to claim those X interaction points inside Discord too. Now you can invite your friends and rack up the rewards. You get 5 points just for checking in daily. Keep it up for a 4 week and you've got a nice streak going. And finally, you can post about them on X. Just make sure use their tag and you will get a sweet 25 points for that.